Good evening and welcome to the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. The war in Iran is causing yet another jump in energy prices. The world's largest liquefied natural gas facility is in Qatar. The company that runs the hub says it's extensively damaged after two Iranian missile attacks. That attack follows strikes on some of Iran's energy facilities. That damage is part of the reason Brent crude oil topped $118 a barrel Thursday morning. Prime Minister Dr. Andrew Holness says efforts are being made to improve productivity. Making his presentation to the budget debate this afternoon, he acknowledged that it has been a long-standing issue.
Display shows that Jamaica's GDP per hour worked compared to the Caribbean and Latin America and the global middle income benchmarks at just $9 per hour. Jamaica is less than half of the Caribbean average of $20.5 per hour, as well as upper income countries in Latin America at $21.10, and far below the high income Latin American and Caribbean countries, which produce nearly $40 per hour.
Dr. Holness says he will outline long-term plans in the future.
We must address the problem of productivity. Madam Speaker, the government is developing a policy position on how to improve our low level of productivity, and I will come to this House at a later date to present this in detail. The issues of productivity is not just a matter of wages and remuneration, but also a matter of culture and socialization.
Meanwhile, the Prime Minister also announced an increase in the minimum wage. Earners will be paid $17,000 per week, up from $16,000. The change will take effect in 4 months on July 1. To the stock market now, the JSE index declined by 1,340 points today, while the junior market index declined by 6 points. The winners were led by General Accident, Portland JSX, Margaritaville Turks, Lasco Financial Services, and Caribbean Assurance Brokers. The losers include Productive Business Solutions 10.5% preference shares, 138 Student Living, Guarding Holdings, Epley Caribbean Property Fund, and ISP Finance Services. 20 stocks traded firm. Foreign exchange trading ended with banks and cambios selling the US dollar for an average $158.66. The Canadian dollar is being sold for $116.83. The pound is going for $212.53, while the euro is selling for an average $183.85. And that's it for the Business Day. I'm Andrea Chisholm. Good evening.